Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer at X-Air. Today I'm going to show you how to install the repair kit model RBK50 to the X-Air half-inch MPT standard atomizing nozzle. The repair kit will come with 2 gaskets and 2 O-rings. The tools that you will need are 2 large adjustable wrenches, an O-ring pick, and some O-ring lube. Let's first start by removing the air and liquid cap. Here you will find the gasket with holes punched out. Remove it and clean the area with alcohol. If the gasket is sticking to the surface, you can use a plastic scraper or knife to not damage the surface. Now let's move to the other side where we have the liquid adjustment assembly. Remove this by unscrewing it from the body. Once removed, you will find the other gasket. Safely remove that gasket like the other gasket. The 2 O-rings are placed on the adjustment stem. If you currently have it set to the proper level, you will need to count the number of threads. Remove the adjustment stem from the retainer by unscrewing it completely out. For the O-rings, one is larger than the other. The smaller one will go on to the end of the stem, while the other one will be placed in the middle of the stem. Use the O-ring pick to remove. Add a small amount of lube to the O-rings and then replace them onto the correct grooves. Reassemble the adjustment stem back into the retainer. Screw the stem all the way out. Place the gasket onto the assembly and attach it to the body. Here you can return the liquid stem back to the original position. With the liquid cap, place the gasket onto it. Attach this to the body. Once you get close to tightening, I like to place my finger on the edge of the gasket to center it. Add the air cap and the unit is ready to be used. If you have any questions about this process, you can contact an application engineer at X-Air at 1-800-903-9247. Thank you for watching.